So here is the microwave. I have it in a cart right now, but it comes with the instructions and the microwave and convection and broiler. And these are a couple of broiling trays that you use. So we have all the features right here. Quick buttons for you to reference. So I'm going to put in a cup of coffee. So we can figure out the features here. The Wi-Fi connect. Get the instructions on how to set that up. But as you can see, we got the Wi-Fi and also through the app. So we're just going to ask Alexa to heat up our coffee. Alexa, start microwave for 30 seconds.
Microwaving for 30 seconds.
Alexa, stop microwave. And that's how it works with Alexa. Beautiful stainless steel microwave, convection oven and microwave and broiler.
Okay, I'm going to go with this review of more than just a microwave. You've got full broil capability, baking capability, convection capability. It's also a great microwave coming in at 1,000 watts. I did a couple of tests with it in testing just microwave food. Performs exactly as you would expect. And I also threw in a corn dog on convection, and it was done maybe in 60% of the time it would have taken if I'd used a regular oven, maybe a bit less. Two things: it comes with a couple of elevated trays for roasting, broiling, or baking. There's a picture of the corn dog on one, and has great product manual documentation with it. It's packed really well, and I'm kind of beyond impressed with it. Hope you enjoy it.
Good stuff, huh?